everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. You guys, today we're getting a little sexy. We're getting a little spicy because we're gonna be reviewing the new Huda Beauty Naughty palette. That is it, right, you guys. I got this baby in the mail a few days ago from Sephora, which is actually really cool because it was part of the Sephora sale. But this is the new palette from Huda Beauty, and I think it's supposed to be kind of like a reimagining or an adding on to the original nude palette, which I have right here. So we'll kind of look and see the differences between the shades and stuff like that. I've heard nothing but good things about this palette except for one thing, but let's get into it. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description. If you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram, I would highly appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my Instagram. We're getting more into the holiday season. So I'm starting to post more things that are kind of like Christmassy, holiday. I'm super into it, and yeah, if you want to follow me over there, I would really appreciate it. But let's get into this video. So again, here is what the palette on the outside looks like. Now I will say I don't like this packaging very much. I don't know why. I feel like it makes it look a little bit like kids makeup. It looks a little bit cheap on the outside here. You know, with the other nude palette, like the original one, you have Huda in like a beautiful lace veil looking thing, and it's all in really pretty colors. And I love this packaging, and I love the packaging to Mercury Retrograde. I think that one's my favorite. But this one, compared to all those other ones, just seems kind of boring, no? I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of this packaging. It makes it just look a bit cheap. The container itself is nice. It's plastic, so that's nice. But here are what the shades look like, and these shades look beautiful, let me tell you. Now, I don't know what I want to do, and I can't tell what these three marbly shades, I can't tell what they're actually going to look like. Like, are they gonna mix it? Ooh. I am going to go ahead and swatch these. I was going to say, are they going to mix together to become like their own shade, or are they going to pull like primarily one shade? I don't know. But here are those three marble shades. Really pretty. The golden one is a little chunky. If you can see that, I don't know if you can. It is pretty, but it is still a little chunky. They are really nice though. Oh, I forgot this one over here. Oh, this is a matte. This is like a matte marbled shade. Huh, that's interesting. It's just a brown, but it's nice. It's very creamy. It's called Hard. Let's get started. I really want to play, and because this palette just looks stunning. So, and I've kind of gotten the theme. My nails are dark. My shirt is dark. The lipstick we're going to be using at the end is pretty dark. So it's all going to be very vampy and sexy. But first, I'm going to prime my lids really quick. See, I don't know where to start. Let's go into let's go into Arouse. We'll go into this one first and kind of put that in the transition. And this shadow's blending out really nicely so far. This is the shade Arouse. And I thought that it was going to be a little too orange, but it's actually not. It does have more of an orange tone. It's definitely more orange than brown, but it is really nice. It's like a terracotta color. Oh, that was incredibly smooth. Why do I look yellow? Is that better? I don't know. I feel like I look yellow. But that was incredibly smooth. That was like, boop, 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 boop. I'm done. Wow. We're getting into like Pat McGrath territory over here. So, I know a lot of people don't start decorating for Christmas until after Thanksgiving, and I totally understand that. I start decorating after Halloween because Christmas is my favorite time of the year, and I just love the holidays so much. It's like my favorite time ever, and it just makes me happy, even while we're still in the middle of this situation in the world right now. It still just makes me happy. Maybe that's better. I just felt like I just looked extremely yellow, so I opened my window a bit more. I'll tell you one thing, these shadows are blending like butter, I tell you. Like, these are fantastic so far. I love that. And then I'm gonna go into the shade, ooh, let's go into Naughty right here, this really rich dark brown. And I'm gonna just deepen up the outer corner and the crease a little bit, just because I have an idea. Not a lot of kick up. There is some kick up with this palette, but it's not that bad. I'm just gonna put it right, like literally directly in the crease, just to give the look a little more depth. Now this brown is a bit lighter than I thought. It's not as dark. So I don't know if my thing that I wanted to try to do is going to work anymore, because this brown is not dark. It's so light. Like, it's still really pretty and you can tell that it's there. It's just not as dark as I thought it was going to be. But it is still extremely smooth and really, really buttery. And then once you start, like, you know, really working with it and pecking it on, you can get it to be a bit darker, but it's not, you have to work with it and add more and more and more. It's not going to be really dark off the bat. So okay, so that's what I'm gonna do for that. Okay, so I'm gonna try to still do what I wanted to do earlier, because I have this gorgeous wine colored top on. I wanted to try to go into this wine color right here. This is called Untamed, and it's really, really pretty, and I want to put that on the outer corners, like just deepen everything up even more, but I don't know if it's going to work. I'm only keeping this shade directly on the inner corners, and I think it is working. It is getting some purple there, so that's nice. So yeah, that actually worked pretty well. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that's actually really pretty. I like that a lot. I don't know what's going on with my camera. I feel like I just look yellow and I don't know why. I'm afraid if I open up the blinds too much, then it's going to throw off the white balance, but if I close them, then I'm like super yellow and I don't want that. But this is beautiful. Like, I really like this. I love how the purple just like goes with it. It looks really nice. So next, I'm gonna do my lid shape. But the thing is that I really don't know which one I want to do. Should I do Please Me right here? This one's called Please Me. Ooh, wow. I don't want to put pink on top of this, I don't think. Yeah, so I think that's the one I want to do. It's so pretty. I do want to actually try Titanic here and just, wow, it's very flaky. Yeah, this one's extremely flaky. It still is pretty, but I am gonna go into Please Me, and I hope it works. It's okay. Yeah, it's fine. I am gonna go ahead and grab a brush and spray it with some MAC Fix Plus, and then I'm just gonna go right back in here and use a brush. It doesn't pick up that good on the brush, so I don't know if it's, I don't think it's meant to be used this way. But it's beautiful though. I actually like how, oh, sorry. I actually like how subtle it is. It's not like super like in your face shimmer. It actually is pretty subtle. So I do like that actually. Yeah, I'm really into this. I like it a lot. Oh yeah. I'm super into this. This is really, really pretty, you guys. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do for the eyes for right now. I am gonna go ahead and finish up my face makeup on camera because I don't have anything new to share with you there. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll come right back and we'll finish up the eyes and do the lips. Okay, I'm back, and I think the sun has fixed itself, or the lighting or whatever happened, so that's good. And yeah, I finished my makeup, so I want to go ahead and do my bottom lash line with you guys, and I'll throw on some mascara and some lips and call it a day. So for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna go into, I don't want to make it too dark under there. I am going to go into Naughty right here, but I don't want to make it too dark. Oh, that was really nice. I like that a lot. Okay, so that's great. I love this. I am going to go ahead and throw on some mascara. Okay, so I need to let my eyes dry. And then for lips, this is what I wanted to show you guys, what I wanted to wear with you here. I got another one of these Suede matte lipsticks from Tarte, and this one is a really dark vampy color. It's in the shade She Must Be New. Look at this. It's like the Fenty Beauty Underdog, but in a lipstick. And I've got the matching lip liner, so I'm gonna use this really quick to line my lips. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Yes! I love it so much.
So I will say this shade is not the easiest to apply because it is so dark, but when you use a lip liner, it does make it a little easier, but I can still see some like feathering and stuff, so it's not the easiest lipstick to apply, but this is the only shade that I've had that problem with. I have like a orangey red color from Tarte. This is the same formula and I'm obsessed with it. It's beautiful. It's just that this one's so dark. It's kind of hard to work with, but you guys, this is the completed look that we did create using the brand new Huda Beauty Naughty palette. I have to say, I love this palette. I love this look. It is so sexy. It is so like kind of like mysterious, and I'm just so into it. So I love it. And now I know what you may be thinking, well, why didn't you add like some lashes or liner or whatever? I don't know, I just didn't feel like it needed any. I wanted the eyes to be the star of the show, and well, the lips too, because I mean, it's, you know, but I don't know, I feel like if I just put like a big liner over top and then some lashes, it would have just covered everything up, and I really just love the way that this eye look looks. I feel like it brings out my eyes, so I don't know, I'm really into it, and I love this palette. The only shade that I don't really get is that slippery shade in there. Did I actually ever show you that one? Yeah, it looks like this. Yeah, it looks super weird. It looks, how the kids say, very sus. How the kids say. Among Us is a really fun game. Red is sus. But yeah, I really love this makeup and I think it's beautiful and I'm super into it. So if you were kind of on the fence with this palette, if you didn't know what you wanted to do, I would highly recommend picking it up if you were thinking about it, because it is such a good palette in my opinion. I know that I haven't used all the shades, but I really did enjoy the ones that I used. So I like it a lot. But you guys, that's going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!